Have you been asked to organise an interesting excursion for a group or a family reunion? That's quite a challenge, isn't it? It's difficult to please everyone. We have the solution. We can help you provide the complete and perfect outing. This is one museum with two collections. By combining the collections, we can satisfy everyone's wishes: music, culture, history, biology, nature, physics, mechanics. It can all be found in the museum Klok Peel. Not for nothing have we been voted the best excursion by the ANWB. You can enjoy your visit entirely in your own way with a personal guide, a multilingual audio guide. There is a cinema, or you can wander alone and enjoy what you see. Children can be interactive. You can be inside or outside, so that wet or fine, you are always welcome. We can cater for groups from as few as 15 up to 300. The museum is completely accessible for the disabled. It is all on one level, and even the garden can be viewed from paved paths. You will be received by very enthusiastic volunteers who will warmly welcome the group and tell many interesting stories during the tour, and provide refreshment in the cafe. That's just because they are proud of the museum and want you to share their enthusiasm. We can provide a made-to-measure program. For example, a whole day, part of a day, or a simple conducted tour are all possible, including a warm welcome with coffee and tarts, a suitable lunch, and drinks on the terrace before you leave. The staff of the Museum Klok Peel have extensive experience in planning group visits and will think along with you. Do you need more information, or are you ready to book? Call us or send us an email. We can discuss the possibilities over a cup of coffee. In this way, we can put together an arrangement which best suits you and your group. We look forward to seeing you in the Museum Klok Peel.